Well, well, well. What do we have here? A new rat has exited the hole it came from. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I scare you? Aw, my bad. Good. My presence makes the whole world shake. I'm guessing you don't know who I am. Hasn't anyone warned you about me? Well, I suppose this'll be the time for a suitable introduction. I am the hero of this city, the one who brings peace, law, and order to Kaneward, director of the peacekeepers who roam the streets, the great Yomi Hellsmile. And I presume you're another one of those sewer rats from that awful detective agency, correct? I thought so. Well, since you're a new face here, I suppose I can let you off with a warning. Stay the hell out of our way. Your existence is only going to cause chaos and mayhem. I have already worked so hard to keep everyone and everything in line. Do you know how dirty I had to make my hands to get this far? And even if one toe steps out of that line, the next thing that will be coming is a special trip to the big house in Amaterasu. And once gone through my torture, the last thing you'll see will be me and my handsome face watching your dying eyes. That is the way we do around here. I hold Amaterasu and Kaneward in the palm of my hand. Everything falls under my order. No one can usurp my throne. Not even that masked freak that calls himself a CEO that took everything away from me 3 years ago. And that is how the city came to be, all because of him. And I've worked so hard trying to keep this city put back together. Someday, maybe I'll order these people to build a monument of me and have it stand in the heart of the city, just to remind them all who's in charge. With the crack of my whip and a couple of bullets from the peacekeepers, there's no way they could ever possibly defy me. Huh? What's that? Sorry. Did you say something? Oh, please excuse me. When you're as big and almighty as me, everyone else looks like bugs. As if I'm looking down at an anthill, watching as those panicking ants get crushed underneath my feet. How did I do all this, you ask? Well, I expect perfection. And if you want something so bad, you gotta have it yourself. That's how we take care of the criminals here. Unlike me, criminals and terrorists have no right or say here. They are underlings just like the rest of you. I am the only one with power, let me be clear, and those who dare oppose me or think they can hurt me, well, that'll just be as pointless as cutting off a lizard's tail. I cannot be fooled, I cannot be flinched, I cannot be wounded, and especially cannot ever be touched. One small bit of advice. It's best not to have allies. Because in the end, they think they can all do whatever they want, do however they please, as if they're in charge, as if I won't target them. Well, I'll have you know, they cannot be trusted. It's not like I won't dismiss them, say that they're immune to me. They'll be taken advantage of such authority in the end. So it's best to work alone. That's how I have been dealing with My beloved right hand. Who's that you say? Well, doesn't matter now. Sooner or later you'll see her, maybe. Maybe I'll reach into my pocket one day and pull her out for you. You'll see. This one small, beautiful cube in the palm of my hand. My beloved right hand. So don't cry to me if any of your so-called detective buddies use you for their amusement. What's that? You think I'm insane? Well, think again how insane things will be when if you don't watch your step and your friends aren't there to save you. Well, I like to see what your brains will look like underneath my soul once I crush your skull. So, I can only hope you understand what I'm telling you, though I don't mind showing you if you haven't gotten a clear enough picture. Oh, you have? Well, we'll just see about that. Because you know, it's hard when you're the only person in the city with intellect and intelligence. Because everyone else here is not. Nothing excites me more than seeing fear spread all around your body. Is a small, whittled detective gonna cry? Well, if you don't like it, you could always go back to the sewers, or crawl back to that hole you came from. Crawl back home to your mommy like an obedient, stray little puppy dog. Well, I guess I better get going myself. The next time you get in my way, you cross my eye again, that will be the last thing you'll do. And the last thing you'll see will be me cutting you open and eating your heart. Got that? Good. Now, scram. Don't forget, Kanai Ward and Amaterasu belong to Yomi Hellsmile. Remember that. And give that memo to the rest of your detective rats. Oh, I forgot. My deepest apologies. I forgot to ask you your name. Well, doesn't matter anyway. You people are all the same. But just to be safe, I'm going to keep a close eye on you. So you may as well tell me now. I see. Well, I'll be watching you. Even when you don't know it. Even when I'm right behind you.